Anne-Marie from Belgium.
Hidden in the misty hills of Sri Lanka lies one of the most charming railway stops in the country, Ella Railway Station. Tourists from around the world gather together, enthusiastically waiting for the train. Cameras are lifted, friends pose for photos, and strangers share joyful conversations as they soak in the beauty of the moment. When the train finally arrives, cheers rise, hands wave, and happiness spreads across every face. It's not just about the journey. It's about the memories created right here on the platform. These are the beautiful, happy moments of Ella. Welcome to paradise in my eyes. Hello everyone. This is Ella Railway Station, a small yet iconic stop nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country. Surrounded by misty mountains and endless tea plantations, this station has become a gathering place for travelers from around the world. Today, we begin our journey from here, where every arrival brings excitement and every departure carries a new story. Tourists from across the globe have gathered at Ella Railway Station, eagerly waiting to board the train from Badulla to Badulla, ready to witness one of Sri Lanka's most scenic journeys. Their main ambition is to see the train cross the iconic 9-arch bridge at Demodara. After that, most of the tourists disembark at Demodara station, while a few continue their journey onward to Badulla Railway Station for their final destination. The horn of the approaching train signals that it is just moments away from Ella Railway Station, filling the air with anticipation and excitement. You can see children dancing joyfully on the platform as the train arrives, adding even more happiness to the lively atmosphere at Ella Railway Station. After the cyclone attack, several sections of the main railway line between Colombo and Badulla were badly damaged. As a result, train services are now limited to the stretch between Badulla and Badulla, with only 2 power-set trains operating and fewer daily services than before. Every train on this scenic route is now fully crowded with tourists. Most of the tourists begin capturing these precious moments on camera, preserving memories of the train, the station, and the surrounding beauty. At this moment, we meet Salvatore Tardini to learn about his journey and his impressions of Sri Lanka.
This is the first time in Sri Lanka. I like Sri Lanka. I like the people. I like the comfort. I like the time. I like all this life. Very, very nice. Very, very happy. Okay.
The train now continues its journey toward Badulla Railway Station, carrying passengers through the breathtaking landscapes of Sri Lanka's hill country.
Ivana, I'm from Slovakia, and it's my first time in Sri Lanka, and it's very nice, I like it. The nature is beautiful, and I just got off from the train to Ella, and looking forward to other places to see.
Thank you.
As they captured the train and the scenery, they also captured us, becoming part of their unforgettable memories in Sri Lanka. Just look at their faces. Every traveller who comes to Ella experiences moments of pure happiness. Beyond the smiles, you can see something even deeper, a feeling of freedom, adventure, and unforgettable joy. Outside the station, many visitors are waiting for their guides, ready to continue their journey. Some are looking for taxis, whether a car or a traditional tuk-tuk, to take them to the hotels they have already booked. Meanwhile, others are searching for accommodation, hoping to find a comfortable place to stay for the night.
Hello, we are Claire and Marie from Belgium, and we arrived in Sri Lanka 1 week ago. We love this country. It's very nice. It's amazing. There are animals everywhere, and people here are so nice. They always want to help, so it's a pleasure to be here. Bye-bye.
Ella is more than just a destination. It is a true paradise, wrapped in cool mountain air and endless green landscapes. The fresh climate refreshes the soul, and every visitor who arrives here seems to slow down and simply breathe. People come to Ella seeking a vacation, but they leave with something much deeper: peace, freedom, and unforgettable memories. In every smile, in every quiet moment, you can see the joy of living fully and freely in this beautiful corner of Sri Lanka.
My name is Roz. I'm from the UK. I've been in Sri Lanka for 5 days, and they're the most wonderful people I've ever met. And the food is amazing, scenery is amazing, and I think we're very lucky to live here. So yeah, I love Sri Lanka.
Gradually, darkness begins to settle over the mountains, and the sky turns deep and dramatic. As night slowly rises around us, it is time for us to pause our journey here. We now wait under the quiet sky, watching as the night takes over this peaceful land. Until we meet again, under the stars of this paradise at night, see you soon.